It's okay, car. Let's go. Of course.
See the drip? I put in work. Flying through the sky like Ollie on a vert. But it wasn't like this at first. It was uphill and round hairpin turns. No brakes, suicide ride. Fallen angel lost her wings, but she can still fly now. Every night's lit like the 4th of July. Keep my head in the clouds cause my feet in the fire.
Yeah, we taking off. Came from the bottom of the barrel of some rye whiskey. And you know we about to take them all. On a suicide ride, couple angels with clip wings. They like to shake it out. Keep it on the lay low. Put it out. 45 on the payroll. Go ahead, strong. We'll turn ball caps to halo. Ready or not, let go. We was down, now we up, it's kinda hard to miss us. We made our own rules, New South whole fucking tradition. If you gon' ride, just know it's a mission. Full of late nights and raw business. Cold blood, fist fights, and loud engines. We on the streets blowing pine and dumping the transmission. It would seem I'm designed to get up and go get it. Bucket seat got a sign reserved for bad bitches. Shoot game on 2-3. Smoke sack on ooh-wee. I'd be damned if it was, I just made it look easy. But if I told you what it took, you wouldn't fucking believe me. Wore my fingers to the bone, bone to the marrow. I came from the era, Super Sport Camaro. I did enough dirt to fill up some wheelbarrows. I'm solid as the bottom of a red oak barrel. Yeah, we take it out. Came from the bottom of the barrel of some rye whiskey. And you know we about to take them out. On a suicide ride, couple angels with clip wings. They like to shake it out. Keep it on the lay low.
It's payday, I can't play. We gon' have a melee if I'm late. For fuck's sake, I've been baking this cake since I was just 8. It's time that I ate. I want the whole thing, not a crumb, a corner piece. I was born a beast, ignoring these wannabes. Swarming me until I was quarantined, yeah. It seems that I'm ahead of my time, yet I'm in my prime. Staring at the sun like it's my turn to shine. Cause I grind, so I guess it's a good thing that I came from a diamond mine. I'm going from no place to states on fine china. Rolling with no brakes with the weight of a freight line. Headed into a crate, a dynamite explosive. Baby doll ain't never seen my time. Kinda high.
Yeah, we take it out. Came from the bottom of the barrel of some rye whiskey. And you know we about to take them out. On a suicide ride, couple angels with clip wings. They like to shake it out. Keep it on the lay low.
Holding on when my brain's ticking like a bomb. Guess the black dogs have come again to get me.